Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new vlog. So this was such a random decision to vlog today. There is so much going on in my life. I have a job, I cook, I buy my own groceries, I talk to my parents, I talk to my sister, I try to read a few pages of a book, I try to complete the web series that I'm watching. To be very honest, a lot of my time goes into YouTube because it is a lot of hard work, you guys. So I just thought of like sitting down, starting a new vlog and talking to you guys about it. By the way, I recently got jabbed. I got vaccinated. I took the first dose of the Covishield and it's been exactly a week since I took the vaccine. तो मैंने एक पूरा vlog बना के compile करके आज ही वो upload किया है. So in case you guys haven't watched the vlog, I'm going to be linking it in the description box. Please do watch it because it is a very helpful, informative kind of a vlog. I've spoken in detail about my entire experience, about the side effects. Everything is covered in that vlog. So I guess अगर आप वो पूरा vlog देखोगे आप लोग एक अच्छा idea हो जाएगा what to expect, what not to expect after and before the vaccination. I basically just wanted to sit down, have this heart-to-heart conversation. I really love having heart-to-heart conversations with you guys. So I'll just start with what has happened during the day. I just got up, I had breakfast. I'm recently loving the Saffola masala oats for breakfast. So often days मैं वही खाती हूँ. So I had that. I had my cup of coffee, started with my office का काम, and then when I got some time बीच में, I just got ready, did some makeup, filmed 2 videos, edited the COVID vaccination vlog, uploaded that. बीच में office का काम तो चल ही रहा है. So yeah, the main topic in this vlog is going to be balancing my job life and my YouTube life, and I think a lot of you all will be interested to know. A lot of you all will find it helpful. A lot of you will sort of relate to me because I'm sure if you are here, you just might be a budding YouTuber, just might be a budding content creator, and today I'm just here to talk to you guys about my personal experience. So I'll be very honest with you guys. I started YouTube during last year's lockdown, and trust me, अगर lockdown नहीं हुआ होता, अगर 21 दिन कंटिन्यूसली घर पे नहीं रहना होता तो मैं शायद कभी चैनल खोलती नहीं. Even though मेरे अंदर कहीं ना कहीं I always had that urge, I always had that dream. I have spoken to you guys about this in my intro video. I'll link that in the description as well. If you see that, you'll get to know a lot about me in case you haven't watched it. If you have watched it, great. So in that video also I told you that once upon a time when I was in school, I really wanted to be like a TV presenter or a radio presenter. I really had that vibe going on inside me. I don't know why. Probably I watched a lot of MTV while growing up, so I always used to love that VJ vibe and that vibe. I mean, I just loved it. So that's that, and I really wanted to be in front of the camera. So I think YouTube was one of the easier ways to do that because I already had chosen law as a profession, joined a good company and changed a few companies here and there. As of now, I don't earn anything from YouTube. Being honest out there, I mean, there's nothing to hide as such because I've just started out. I don't have that many subscribers, right? So I haven't started earning. I have not met the minimum subscriber count and I'm just pushing myself, working hard. I sometimes have sleepless nights because I keep editing. Sometimes I wake up in the morning and I try to juggle कि मुझे आज वीडियो भी बनानी है, मुझे आज कॉल भी अटेंड करना है, मीटिंग भी अटेंड करना है. But I enjoy the process. I think what is important is to enjoy the process. If you enjoy making YouTube videos, if you find your passion in it, if you enjoy buying things and making hauls, if you enjoy doing makeup in front of the camera, I think you should just do it. And there are very basic investments to be made, like the basic equipments that you need is a camera, is a microphone, is a tripod. I think it's just asking for some help from your parents or your elder siblings or any of your friends who you feel is close to you if you don't have savings. Like when I started, I was already earning, so obviously I didn't have to ask for a single penny from anybody. So I understand how that is different because a lot of you all want to start out with YouTube right after college, so you don't have a job, you don't have a stable income, like there's no income, stable full job, and you want to sort of just start YouTube after you're done studying. That is not often the best idea because आज के दिन में YouTube is slowly getting saturated. There are so many content creators creating similar kind of content and we hardly know like a 0.0001% of the content creators on YouTube, right? So only a few are able to leave a mark. So what I am doing is still fine because I do have a stable income, I do have a stable job which is related to the field of study that I have done. मुझे जब भी टाइम मिलता है मैं वीडियोस बनाती हूँ, मुझे जब भी टाइम मिलता है मैं एडिट करती हूँ. एंड अभी आई डोंट थिंक अबाउट इनकम फ्रॉम यूट्यूब, या आई डोंट सिट एंड रिग्रेट और आई डोंट सिट एंड थिंक अरे आई एम वर्किंग सो हार्ड, why are my subscribers increasing at this rate, or why am I not earning money? I have a very simple policy. See, when we were born, okay, when we were born, we didn't start earning from the very next moment. A lot of things had to go into our childhood, a lot of efforts had to be given into our lives by our parents, by the people who love us, and they put us into good schools. Then we, through our own merit, went into good colleges, and then after that, after all this happened, after the foundation was properly laid, did we get a good job, and now we can make good money. Same is the thing with YouTube. Unless you have your own brand value, unless you have a substantial amount of subscribers, unless there are a certain section of people who love your videos, who watch your videos regularly and would like to subscribe to your channel, become a part of your community, why would a brand or why would anybody want to collaborate with you? How will your channel grow, right? So the foundation that I am building now is working consistently on my videos. I am trying to learn makeup. I am trying to learn new techniques of doing makeup. अगर आप मेरे चैनल के पुराने वीडियोस देखोगे, if you will even see like a 6-month-old video, you will see that there's no makeup on my face. You can actually figure out that I'm just wearing a lip tint, like a lip balm and some eyeliner, and मैं बैठ गई हूँ कैमरा के सामने वीडियो बनाने के लिए. But today, to be very honest, I feel a little conscious to do that because I see all the content creators, and 99% of them, when they sit in front of the camera, they have like a very nice coating of makeup, and they do it very nicely, they do it very seamlessly, and they all look so pretty when they talk and when they interact with us, you know. I want to do that. I mean, I'm not imitating anybody. It's not like because सब ये चीज़ कर रहे हैं तो मुझे भी ये चीज़ करनी है, ऐसा नहीं है. लेकिन I do understand as a consumer of videos also that when I watch a video जहाँ पे I see that the person who is presenting the video has taken some effort into how she is looking versus a video जहाँ पे सिर्फ content is rich but there has been no effort into how the person is looking, I think every time I tend to gravitate towards the person who has taken efforts in looking good also, if you know what I mean. If you see my last कुछ videos या जो मैंने आज भी 2 videos film करे हैं ना, I had done makeup, so I am putting efforts. Like for me, buying so many different kinds of makeup, doing it is very new because I have always done like very, very simple makeup. Like 5 years of college I've spent in Pond's BB cream, Johnson's powder, Maybelline kajal and a lip balm. One lipstick I used to have because मुझे तभी मेरा पॉकेट मनी लिपस्टिक्स पे स्पेंड नहीं करना होता था. आज मेरे पास 19-20 लिपस्टिक्स है जिसका मैंने कलेक्शन वीडियो कल शूट किया. But back then I didn't used to have it, you know. So right now I'm just working to lay a good enough foundation. ये जो videos मैं आज बना रही हूँ, ये जो efforts मैं आज डाल रही हूँ, tomorrow it will pay off, and I'm waiting for that lucky day. I'm waiting for that day when I can tell you all that, you know, I have met the minimum criteria and I'm earning from YouTube. I'm really waiting for that day and I'm consistently working for that. I'm willing to consistently keep putting in efforts for that. In the future, I have plans of opening a new channel, maybe 2 new channels. I have plans of making different kinds of content. I have plans of investing into a good camera. So all those plans are there, but I want to take every day as it comes. I don't want to jump and do something like, you know, ऐसे ही करके मैं impulsive decisions नहीं लेना चाहती हूँ. I am personally not somebody who likes to take impulsive decisions. I like everything to be planned, to be sorted, to be nicely constructed and done. So yeah, that's how I balance my YouTube and my job life. I'm earning from my job and a little bit of it, like a very, very little amount, I invest every month to buy products, or, you know, some sort of investment goes around the channel. And trust me, there is no return as of now. I haven't earned a single penny from YouTube, but I have seen different content creators. I've seen how much efforts they put. If I see an old video of Shreya Jain or Sejal Kumar or that quirky miss or all these big YouTubers, you know, I would literally get a lot of motivation because they have gone so far ahead in their lives. All of them make different kinds of content. Somebody makes makeup content zyada, somebody makes lifestyle vlogs zyada, but all of them have one same thing which is similar to all of them, is the hard work and the dedication that they've put into their channel. And I'm willing to do that. So I have a lovely family of 260 subscribers. I have no shame in saying that. Again, I'm just mentioning it out here because I literally have no shame in saying that. So yeah, I guess I've blabbered a lot, and let's just talk about something a little light-hearted right now. Okay, so I want to talk to you guys about The Bold Type. I'm watching this web series. I'm currently on 3rd season's 6th episode, if I'm not wrong. Guys, if you haven't started watching it, what are you even doing? I mean, watch it. It's so amazing. I mean, it has all the things that I like to watch in these girly shows. Ticks all those things in the list. It has gossip, it has amazing level of fashion. You see 3 very young, super confident, strong, independent women, and they are inspiring, and all the episodes have some message in them. It is absolutely amazing. I love this series. Once I'm done, I'm probably gonna rewatch it instead of starting something new. I love it that much. Yes, you guys, you got it right. So yeah, that's about it. Also want to update you that I was just having my fruits. So I was just having some mango, some papaya, and some muskmelon. I generally have fruits during the evening. I love fruits. Abhi yahan pe, if you see the weather, it's really nice. I showed you right at the start of the vlog, and I'm going to show you the weather here once again. It's very windy, very airy, very pleasant here in Mumbai. So it is just the pre-monsoon season, right? So abhi it's very pleasant and comfortable. Once the monsoon hits Mumbai, there is just incessant rains, and rains stop hi nahi hote hain. So I enjoyed this duration also when the rains have not arrived, but it's absolutely pleasant outside. So I somehow feel like going in for another shower today. I sometimes do that. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you the weather outside. I'm not very sure if you can make out how pretty the weather is, but look at the sky, it's amazing, and I think it's gonna rain really soon. I'm seriously waiting for it since I'm a monsoon lover. So yeah, that's about it. Hi guys, so I am checking in after quite some time. It's about 10 p.m. now, and I still haven't had dinner. I don't feel that hungry yet. I will probably be eating in 30 minutes or so. So you might be wondering कि मैं इतनी देर क्या कर रही थी. So I was watching The Bold Type on Netflix. I love that show, like I told you. Then I was watching some YouTube videos, and then I did a little bit of skincare. I think I have this very weird acne issue. I generally don't get acne, but if you can see, I do have a few acne marks out here, and I don't know कि वो कब आए कब जाएंगे. I have no idea. So I just got a little panicky and I did some skincare because I generally never have acne issues. तो मुझे पता नहीं कहाँ से acne होना start हो गया. I think because recently whatever videos I do, I put on a layer of makeup. Probably my skin is reacting to that because I have never done this much makeup in my entire life. So yeah, probably that's the reason. Now I have 10 different nail paints on each of my fingers, so 10 nails and 10 nail paints. So I did a nail paint collection. Today was an excessively draining day, you guys. It was so tiring, my god. Making videos is not easy, you guys. I think I am just dedicating this vlog to that conversation, that editing videos is very hectic. Filming videos is very hectic. You need a lot of patience to keep going. I can tell you one thing, that it's not always money which is the motivating factor. You have other motivating factors as well. As of now, I haven't promoted or marketed my channel. Like, it's just like people who are very close to me know about the channel. It's just like my immediate family, my parents, my sister, my fiance. It's just them who know about the channel. And whoever is a part of this community today has joined the channel, has subscribed to the channel on their own, and that is huge. I mean, that means just so much to me, because obviously if you market your channel to people who know you, or to people whom you know, they'll obviously want to subscribe. But a stranger coming in and subscribing to the channel means a hell lot. It's a regular evening in my life and you can just look at me and make out कि मैं कितनी tired लग रही हूँ. Generally I just apply liner, but today while filming the 2 videos I had also put kajal. I look a little different when I put kajal. I love when authentic looks wale Bengali ladies, they wear kajal and they look so pretty. Generally Bengali women have very big eyes. I don't have big eyes. I mean, I don't know. I do receive compliments for my eyes, but I myself don't really like my eyes. I don't think they're that great. But yeah, I do look a little different now that I'm wearing kajal. Generally, I'm just used to seeing myself with liner. I prefer liner personally. So I'm just talking crap and it's such a random vlog, you guys. I don't even know if you like it, but I'm definitely gonna be putting this up. Sometimes I do feel confused whether to put up a certain vlog or not. Generally जो भी मैं focused content करती हूँ ना, like a haul or a review or something like that, or a collection video, वैसे videos में I don't feel confused. I'm always very sure that yes, I'm going to be editing this and putting this up. But vlogs are something जिसमें मैं थोड़ा सा confused रहती हूँ हमेशा, because I'm not a pro vlogger. I really don't understand how daily vloggers are so good. How do they upload daily vlogs? कैसे वो लोग नया नया content निकालते हैं? कैसे वो लोग अपने vlogs को entertaining रखते हैं? It really beats me. I have no idea how they manage to do that. Daily vlogging is such a task. Whenever I see any daily vlog, I always sit and wonder कि यार इसने कब शूट करा होगा, कब एडिट करा होगा, कब सोचा होगा कि क्या कंटेंट बनाना है. I have no clue. So guys, I have a lot of different kinds of videos that I've planned and I want to film those for you guys. I want to show you how I generally do pedicure at home. I want to do this Amazon collective haul because recently I got quite a lot of stuff from Amazon. I have this under ₹100 makeup products video for you guys. So yeah, I'm enjoying producing content for you guys, and I think that is what matters at the end of the day. The numbers might not be great, the engagement right now might not be epic, but I'm happy. I'm happy with the kind of progress that I'm making on my channel, and I don't market the channel like I told you. I feel very weird, just calling people and texting people and telling them to subscribe to my channel. I feel very, very weird doing that, so I don't do it. I have never done it. It's just that the people who are extremely close to me, they know that I have a channel. Apart from that, those of you guys who have subscribed and who are a part of this community, thank you so much. I mean, this is also turning out to be a gratitude vlog. I'm really thankful that I have you guys in my life. So अभी बक बक बंद करते हैं because ये पूरा जो वीडियो है ना, पूरा बक बक वाला बनता जा रहा है. So let's just do something else. So that's my weighing machine. I don't use it that often. I like to have it here. Yeah, that's that, and I would like to show you this painting that I recently made. I know the moon is not like a perfect circle, but please ignore that. I think this was the best that I could do because I painted after a long gap, you guys. I used to go to painting school when I was in school, that is. This is a very abstract, rough drawing of a sunflower. Like it is just half a sunflower, like you can see. I don't think it's turned out that great, but 15 minutes में मैंने ये किया है, so it's not that bad considering the time that I've invested into this. And this one has to be my favorite. This is a beach scene going on here. This looks to me like Goa. I love the wave happening here, love the sand. I love beaches, you guys, and the clouds also look very real. I mean, I'm not praising myself, but yeah, they do look real. Do let me know what you felt about these paintings in the comment section. Also guys, today I was burning this particular candle from Miniso. Please ignore this. This is just some mess. थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे wax गिर गया है, so please ignore that. So this is what the candle looks like. This is lemongrass. Alright guys, so I thought of doing like this mini grocery haul. I got a big basket delivery today and I just want to show you what all I got. So I got Choco Flakes from BB Royal. ये big basket का खुद का chocos है. I love chocos, but I wanted to try out this one. Hide and seek biscuit. Really love them. Blue Lays for myself. I mean, this is so important. Kurkure ke 2 packets. I also got this tasty masala nuts. This is from Tasties. And oil khatam ho raha tha ghar pe, so I got some Saffola active oil. Also, this was getting over. Good Night active ka refill pack, and I got myself some Maggi again. So guys, I'm quite enjoying the process of filming this vlog for you all today. Please let me know if you guys are liking it, because I'll only want to create more vlogs for you people if you enjoy watching them. So please let me know. I mean, focused content is my forte. I think I do better focused content mein. Vlogging mein I'm still comparatively new and I'm an amateur in vlogging, but in case you like to watch my vlogs, you sort of relate to what I say, then you can let me know. Like for me personally, what I can show you in my vlogs are some recipes I can show you, या छोटा मोटा मैं आपको कोई collection मेरा जो है दिखा सकती हूँ, या फिर I can sit and just talk to you about random things, like आज मैंने आपसे बात किया about balancing my job life in YouTube and how I try to keep myself motivated. I really hope कि आप बोर नहीं होते हो मेरे vlog से. I'm gonna end this vlog here because I don't really have anything else to show you guys as such. I spoke to you guys, I spoke to you, heart to heart, and I really liked it. So yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog right here, which means that a new vlog, a new day is gonna start really soon, and hopefully I will be vlogging more for you guys. But you will have to let me know in the comment section in case you're enjoying my vlogs, ताकि I know how you exactly feel about them, and accordingly I'll be planning content for you guys. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. You know that I love you guys. Bye bye.